What if your car breaks down in the middle of the road at night with no help nearby? Most drivers aren't prepared until it's too late. In this video, I'll show you 7 must-have car tools every driver should keep in their trunk in 2026. These tools can save your time, money, and even your life. Let's start. Number 1. Portable car jump starter. A dead battery is one of the most common roadside problems. A portable car jump starter lets you start your car without another vehicle. Modern jump starters are compact, powerful, and safe. Many models can jumpstart cars multiple times on a single charge. Some even include USB ports to charge your phone in emergencies. Why it's essential: no need to wait for help, works day or night. Perfect for solo drivers. This is one tool every driver should carry in 2026. Number 2. Portable tire inflator/air compressor. Low tire pressure can reduce fuel efficiency and cause blowouts. A portable tire inflator plugs into your car's 12-volt socket and inflates your tires in minutes. Most inflators come with digital pressure display, auto shutoff feature, preset PSI, control. Why it's essential: keeps tires at safe pressure, saves fuel, prevents uneven tire wear. It's a small tool that prevents big problems. Number 3. Tire pressure gauge. Digital. Even if you have an inflator, you still need accuracy. A digital tire pressure gauge gives precise readings in seconds. Compared to old analog gauges, digital ones are more accurate, easier to read, compact, and reliable. Why it's essential: correct tire pressure, improves handling, extends tire life, improves braking performance. This tool costs little but delivers huge value. Number 4. Car Emergency Roadside Kit. An all-in-one emergency roadside kit is a smart investment. These kits usually include jumper cables, reflective warning triangle, flashlight gloves, and basic tools. Why it's essential: everything in one bag keeps you visible on the road, ideal for long trips and highways. In emergencies, organization matters, and this kit gives you that. Number 5. Reflective warning triangle or LED road flares. If your car stops on the roadside, visibility is critical. A reflective warning triangle or LED flare alerts other drivers from a distance. Modern LED flares are bright and weather-resistant, safer than traditional flares, long-lasting with batteries. Why it's essential: prevents accidents, improves night safety, required in many countries. Never stop on the road without warning others. Number 6. Compact first aid. Kit accidents don't always involve vehicles. Sometimes it's just minor injuries. A compact car first aid kit should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, gloves, scissors. Why it's essential: handles minor injuries, immediately useful for passengers and family, mandatory for responsible drivers. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Number 7. Fire extinguisher for cars. Car fires are rare, but when they happen, they spread fast. A compact car fire extinguisher can stop small fires before they turn deadly. Look for automotive rated extinguisher, easy mount design, simple pull pin operation. Why it's essential: handles engine or electrical fires, protects passengers, gives peace of mind. This tool could save lives in seconds. Being prepared doesn't make you paranoid, it makes you smart. Check your trunk today and make sure you have these essentials. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment which tool you already carry. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.